Okay, 34. Draw a shape that represents y-axis symmetry. So we need to fold this thing across the y-axis. So we're going to try to fold it right down this one. Fold it down the y. So everything that's to the left is going to go to the right, and everything to the right is going to go to the left. So that green line is not part of the answer. That's just, I wanted to make sure you knew where we were folding it. So this little dot right there, I'm going to take that dot. That's one. That's 7 to the left. That means it's going to be the same amount down, and it's going to end up 7 to the right. So it's going to end up right there. Then it went straight up to there. So it's going to go straight up to there. See how that dot, if I fold it right across, it's going to land right there. Okay, the next dot I'm going to look at is this one.
Teacher, students, pardon this short interruption before we move on to our next block. Attention juniors, Jostens.
Okay, gee, we had announcements in between there. So I'm just going to connect these together. So there's the line over here folded to the right. Now I'm going to take a look at this dot right here. It's 2 to the right. It's going to go 2 to the left. So that's going to go from that dot to that dot. Now take a look at this one. That's 2 to the right. It will go 2 to the left, so that's just going to come back down. And now look at this dot. That's 5 to the right, so I'm going to put it 5 to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And then it goes down to the corner. So this is 10 over, so this one will be 10 over to make that last. Now it's symmetric across the green line. And if you want to take the green line out of there, whoa, thought maybe I could just pick up the green line, but maybe oh yeah, there it goes. So the green line is gone, and there it's symmetric. Okay, what about this next one? Across the x-axis. So now I need to try to fold it across that. Maybe it will help if I do it in a different color. I'll just stay in green. So that one is 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so it's going to go 1, 2, 3, 4 up. And this one over that corner right there is 2 up, so it's going to go 1, 2 down. Okay, wait a minute. I think I messed that up already. Let me get out an eraser. Let's start that over. Okay. This one right here is 1, 2, 3, 4 down, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4 up. Let's take a look at that corner right there. That's 2 up. It will go to 2 down. So there's that piece. Now this bar that's coming across this dot right here, that's 2 up, will now be 2 down. So we're going to hook it together that way. Then we come across to here. This one's 2 down. Well, let's go to this one. These two are going to basically fold on top of one another. This one that's 2 down will be 2 up. And now this one that is 10 down will go to 10 up. I don't know if doing it in a different color helped at all. I think probably just leaving it black on the next one will be better. But there it was. Okay, down here, now we want to draw a graph that represents the origin. Now this one I think I'm going to actually do just a little bit differently. Maybe the origin, I'm going to take a look at the origin in a different light. So here, this dot right there, that dot is at -7, -4. So -7, -4 goes to 7, 4. The origin is a little bit more difficult to do by just art. So I'm going to do this one more mathy. And now this dot. That dot is -7, 2. So -7, 2 across the origin, it negates them both. That'll become +7, -2. And then take a look at this dot. That dot is at 2, 2. I'm going to do this one pixel at a time. 2, 2, then will become -2, -2. And here I've got a pixel at 2, -2. Going to jot that down and switch their signs. That'll be -2, 2. Here's another dot at 5, -2. Okay, well that's going to go to -5 positive 2. And then this last one is at 10, negative 10. Okay, well that's going to go to negative 10, 10. So just switching, you negate all of the x's and the y's, and now I'm going to plot that. So I need one at 7, 4, over 7, up 4. Then at 7, negative 2. So there those two go. Then at negative 2, negative 2. Negative 2, negative 2 is right there. So there it comes across. Then at negative 2, 2, right there. So it'll come back up. Negative 5, 2 goes to right there. And then negative 10, 10. Negative 10, 10 is way up there. So there's that one. That's across the origin. And that's how I'm going to do this one over here too. Here are the original dots. So I already know that I've got negative 7, negative 4. When they go across the x equals y line, they switch positions. So that one is going to negative 4 and negative 7. And then I have the negative 7, 2. That's going to switch positions to 2, negative 7. Then the next dot we had was 2, 2. Well, when those switch positions, they stay at 2, 2. And then the next dot we had was at 2, negative 2. So they're going to switch positions to negative 2, 2. And then we had 5, negative 2, switching positions to negative 2, 5. And the last one was at 10, negative 10, switching positions. It's going to put it at negative 10, 10. Let's see if we can plot those. So negative 4, 7. Negative 4, negative 7 is down here. I'm going to sketch a little diagonal line so we can kind of see that thing going through there too. So this green line represents what we're folding it across. So that dot right there went to the black one. Okay, then we got a dot at 2, negative 7. 1, 2, negative 7. So it's coming down to there. The next dot is at 2, 2. Right on the same old line. And then we want negative 2, 2. Then negative 2, 5. And then negative 10, 10. And now that new shape folds right across that green line onto this one. And there, that's the symmetry.